Introducing the skyVac Specialist Roof Cleaning course, the UK's only LANTRA and CPD certified roof cleaning course, recognised and accredited by industry experts. If you're someone who is expanding their business or wants to start from scratch, then this course is for you. Our one-day course offers a full day of training at skyVac HQ, including theory and practical experiences with our top-of-the-range equipment, lunch and refreshments throughout, a CPD and LANTRA certificate at the end of the day, and post-training support from the skyVac community as well as our experts. By the end of the course, you'll understand different roof types and profiles, a range of cleaning methodologies like soft washing and scraping, basics on how to use different kits and systems, chemical and chemical safety, health and safety risk assessments, how to market your new services, and so much more. Don't miss out on the chance to secure your place on our next course. Book now.